you need to master your mind first. Kasi meron nga akong kakilala, no, sadly, this is a very sad story. Vegan siya, pero ang rason ng pagiging vegan niya is because of the fear na magkaroon siya ng sakit. Vegan siya pero nagkaroon siya ng cancer. Kasi ang reason niya is out of fear. And that is why yun yung finid ng katawan niya. Yung pagkakaintindi kasi every time ng brain is yes sa lahat ng thoughts na iniisip natin. So out of fear, yung rason ng kanyang transition sa kanyang diet. From normal diet to veganism. So ngayon, yun yung naintindihan ng body at yun yung na-experience niya. Sakit. And that is why, kailangan mong magets na you need to master how you think and how you instill data and prepare your body before absorbing the food. And that is why prayer matters. Like I pray to my food as if I am encoding a data inside it. And isang billionaire ang nagturo niyan na give thanks to my food kahit anong pagkain pa yan for nourishing me. Kahit sabihin pa nilang junk yan, wala yung nutrition, I still give thanks to it. Before ingesting it, for nourishing my body, for making me so vital and alive, for making my body so fit, so lean, so toned, and so firmed. It's been a powerful practice. Because again, the brain takes everything literally. This is the power of the mind. This is the power of your belief. Master your mind first in order for you to master your body and master your life. This is E. Have a pleasant day ahead. Much love. Carpe diem. Namaste. Hiraya Manawari.